Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we will discuss about how to earn from Aliexpress, importance of Aliexpress in dropshipping business in 2022. Dropshipping online, start 14 and free trial now. Aliexpress dropshipping, a complete guide 2022 playbook. Aliexpress Dropshipping, a complete guide to sourcing from Aliexpress. Aliexpress Dropshipping. Dropshipping with Aliexpress is an excellent way to start an e-commerce business without worrying about inventory or shipping. It is as simple as listing a product for a sale on your website and sending an email to your supplier to ship the item on your behalf whenever you get an order. What is Aliexpress? Aliexpress is an online shopping app. How to get started with dropshipping in 2022. What is Aliexpress? Aliexpress is an enormous marketplace with more than 100 million products available for sale. It was founded in 2010 and it is owned by China-based Alibaba, one of the world's largest e-commerce companies. You can see the homepage of Aliexpress. Because most Aliexpress sellers are overseas manufacturers, you can find trending products at a lower price. Within you will find products ranging women clothing and jewelry. Does Aliexpress allow dropshipping? Yes, Aliexpress makes it easy to find products, sell on your e-commerce store without having to worry about inventory or shipping. You can start dropshipping today for free by using research or other dropshipping apps to find and add AliExpress products to your store in only few clicks. Here is how it works. You add the products you would like to sell from AliExpress to your store. You set a price with a markup. When you receive an order, you pay for that product at the wholesale prices. The AliExpress seller ships the order directly to your customer. Hope you understand. Then like our video, subscribe our channel and press the bell notification icon button. You never miss any update from our channel. Thanks for watching. We will meet on next video tomorrow at the same time. Allah Hafiz.